This morning, we got information about our brother, Honorable Ssegirinya, who has been admitted in Rubaga Hospital. The information that we got was that he had passed on. However, upon consultation with the doctors are saying his organs have collapsed, but the heart is still on. So ethically, they cannot pronounce him dead. So we'll keep the house posted, but he's in a critical condition. And we will make sure that you're informed of whatever is taking place in the hospital. Honorable Lop is in the hospital, he's coming back, he will give us information. Honorable members.